Hello, I'm Doc Drew Valdez. I'm a urologist based here in Tacorong City and in Coronadal City here in the island of Mindanao. What we have here is a patient who came in with the chief complaint of left flank pain. Sumakit yung tagiliran niya sa kaliwa. Ngayon, what you're seeing in the endoscopic view is the actual stone na nakabara doon sa daanan ng ihi niya. So it's really small. It's just zero point 0.3 centimeters when it was measured in the CT scan. Pero yung pain ng patient was 10/10 and accompanied pa na vomiting na febrile episode. So, yung nakikita ninyo sa endoscopic view, yung spiky yellowish na material na tinututukan ng bakal, na babasagin ng bakal, is the stone. So, yung pagbasag niyan is ginamitan ng pneumatic lithotriptor. So, yan yung sinasabi ko lagi na parang jackhammer. Yung mga ganitong stone, it's really small, but luckily it was soft. So, easy to easily crumble. Nakita nyo, isang tira lang na pneumatic lithotriptor, bumigay na agad yung stone. 0.3 centimeters, ang liit lang nun, di ba? Ang liit lang nun sa totoong buhay. Pero marami kasing factors na involved kung mag-intervene ka na o hindi. So kung size lang mismo ang pagbabasihan mo, yung 0.3, baka kasi pwede pang lumusot at maihi mo palabas. So yung interest talaga ng patients doon, baka pwede pang gamot na lang doon. Pwede rin naman in certain situations. Pero kasi kapag meron ng obstruction, meron ng pagbabara, indication na yun for active intervention. Kung merong pain, indication na rin yun for active intervention. So kung merong pain, fever, vomiting, alam mo nang talagang merong problema, may mali na. Hindi mo na rin gugustuhin na gamot na lang. So you would want na meron active intervention. So yung nakikita ninyo ngayon is the stone being carefully manipulated within the ureter. Carefully kasi sobrang liit lang ng ureter. Around, yung diameter ng area na yun ngayon is around 2 to 3 millimeters lang rin. Kasing size lang ng stone. Kaya nga siya naka-lodge dyan. Yung striped material na nakikita nyo, yung yellow and black, that's a guide wire, safety guide wire na nailusot namin past the ureteral stone. So, kung magkaroon ng problema, nilalagyan namin yan ng stent muna. So, after the procedure din, nilagyan din naman namin ng stent yan. So, ang gusto kong makita natin dito is yung successfully makita na natin yung kabilang end ng lumen ng ureter. So, ang liit lang yan 0.3. So, we're really dealing with crumbs right now. Yan, yung nagfo-flow palabas yung stone, that's a good sign. That's a good sign. Yan. So, gumagamit ako ngayon ng grasper tsaka ng pneumatic lithotriptor para may galaw mo talaga yung stone. So, I think I will reposition yung wire dito. Medyo pumasok siya sa submucosal area nung ureter. But all good. Kasi nakita na natin lumen. So, yung black part na yan yung gusto natin na malusutan. So, you'll see later na mapupunta tayo dun sa kabilang end. Yung area na nakita nyo is the ureter na magang-maga. So, dyan nakabara yung stone. So, magang-maga. Yan ang itsura. Ito na yung itsura ng normal na ureter dapat.